Hi guys, I'm Jesse from softbox.com, and today I'm going to show you the 2-in-1 umbrella. Now you might be thinking umbrellas are old-fashioned, they're not used anymore today, but they really are. They're an inexpensive, very, very effective tool to use with your speed lights or your strobes. So let me show you the Strobe Pro umbrella here. The big thing with a 2-in-1 umbrella is that you have two layers to it. You have a shoot-through diffusion layer, which is right here, or you can use it as a white bounce. And I'm going to show you how to do just that. So here I've got our Strobe Pro Speedlight umbrella kit, the stand and the adapter. Really inexpensive way to get started with umbrellas. So I'm just going to feed that through the adapter there, decide on my depth. And nice thing about this adapter, actually, we can drop the speed light down so it's in axis with the actual shaft of the umbrella. So right now, the light would actually shoot into the umbrella and then bounce back. So if we're taking a picture of me, you would have it placed somewhere there and aiming towards me to bounce that light back in. That's great for group shots, larger products. If you want to use it for portrait, normally we would use probably the shoot through. It's just a little bit more directional. You can control it a little bit more. Rather than the spread kind of just going everywhere out like that, it just narrows it down a little bit more. Not quite as much as a softbox, but you're going to achieve very similar results with a lot less investment into the actual modifier. So to turn it into the shoot through, we're just going to go over here to each pin, and all I'm doing, grab that, pull the tab off of it, and then I'm just rotating through there, pulling each one off as we go, and then the cover's just gonna come right off. Now you can see we've got the translucent through there, and instead of bouncing, we're gonna aim this at the subject. So you're gonna point it right towards them and shoot through. So really, really simple way to use an inexpensive light modifier. So to put the cover back on, we're just going to do the opposite of what we did to take it off. So in the top, you're going to have a silver ring here. That's the center point of the cover. We're just going to line it up over here with the center point. So kind of drape it over the top there. Find that center point. Put it through there. And it's a good idea to start with the top one just so it doesn't fall off. And all I'm doing right here, just pin them back on. So as I go around, just line them up. And there should not be a lot of pressure on there. Like I'm barely stretching this. If you're really reefing on it, it's probably because you've got it snagged somewhere, so just take a quick look. So now we're back into the bounce, and to fold that guy up, undo our set screw there, pull this out, and right in here, you're going to see a little thumb release. Now that's under tension, so you can push this up a little bit just to release the tension. Push it up, thumb push down, pops down, fold it up. You can put it back in the dust cover if you want. Throw it in your bag and you're good to go. You can also go to a larger 2-in-1 umbrella. This is a 60-inch. Normally you're not going to use a 60-inch with a speed light, but it's a beautiful light source with strobes. You just need a lot more power to fill that. So we've got a 600 watt here on a battery pack, just to give you an idea. And you're always going to use a reflector with a strobe when you're running it, rather than the speed light over here where you're just going to shoot directly into it. You don't need any additional modifier on there. And this is a 600. You could easily fill this umbrella with a 300 if you want as well. And it's just a really nice light source. So pick an umbrella up. This is the 40-inch. We've got the 60-inch over here. Either one, for whatever situation you're trying to do, is a really great, inexpensive investment. Till next time, this is Jesse at softbox.com.